I'm Mauricio Alvarado. I did this final project with Alex Orellana. Our first project was Lab 2, which was the grading tool, and our second one was Minesweeper. So for the first project, we took Lab 2 and we added a GUI to it. We also made it so you can now save grades based on the person. You can edit and delete grades also, and all the grades saved to a CSV file. So here it is right here. So as you can see, you can add a student, input their score here, and it'll calculate and change the grades based on it. You can also edit a student's score by inputting their name and then the new score. And you can delete a student by inputting their name down here and pressing delete. If you put a non-numeric value for score, it'll tell you to input one. If you input a negative number for here, it'll give you this error. And if you try to delete a student who does not exist, it'll give you this output. And all of these save to this CSV file right here.
Now for the second project, as you heard, we did Minesweeper. And to go into more detail with that, so for Minesweeper, we allowed you to choose the number of columns you want and rows. So you put 20 and 15, and we allow you to choose how many bombs you want in the board. And then we have a flag method to flag any spaces you might think are bombs. And then obviously the click method to click any bombs. Now, if you press on a bomb, the game ends immediately. And if for the rows and columns, if you add anything that's not an integer, it won't work, like a string. It won't generate anything, or a negative number. Or if the number of bombs is more than the spaces available, it won't generate either. And what it looks like to win a game, smiley face. Now, we actually have a CSV file where it records all your wins and losses. It'll show the dimensions of the board, the amount of mines, and then if it was a win or loss.
So during this project, we learned a lot about GUI, specifically PyQt, especially with the dynamic board of the Minesweeper project. That was really tough. We learned a lot developing that. We also learned how to use GitHub because this was both our like first time using GitHub.
We improved our documentation by making it more specific and detailed, which helped a lot with our collaboration and communication. And that led into us helping how to debug better because we were struggling with certain methods like generate nums, sweep, and trying to figure out how to hide the numbers generated. And that was our project.
Thanks for watching.